Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the beauty essentials you need to know about. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a product that's creating a buzz in the nail care world: the Nail-Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth Nail Treatment and Strengthener. This little bottle claims to transform your nails in just 3 days, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's talk about what this product is all about. The Nail-Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth Nail Treatment is a clear, quick-drying formula designed to strengthen and promote the growth of your nails. Packed with keratin amino acids, this treatment absorbs into soft and weak nail layers, giving them maximum strength. Whether you're dealing with peeling, chipping, or just want longer nails, this product promises visible improvement in a very short time. Using it is simple and straightforward. Just apply 2 coats over dry, clean nails and let each coat dry before applying the next. You can use it alone for a natural glossy finish or as a base and top coat if you prefer to add some color. Now let's dive into the real-world usage. Personally, I found that applying the treatment was a breeze. The formula dries quickly, which is a huge plus if you're like me and always on the go. Within 3 days, I noticed that my nails felt significantly harder and less prone to peeling. By the end of the week, there was a noticeable improvement in both the length and strength of my nails. Quite impressive considering how fast it works. But let's keep it real. No product is perfect. One downside to the Nail-Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth is that for optimal results, you do need to reapply it every few days. This might be a bit of a hassle for some, but the results are worth the extra effort. In terms of performance, this treatment stands out. Compared to other products I've tried, it offers a combination of strength and shine that's hard to beat. And for those who prefer vegan and cruelty-free products, you'll be pleased to know that this formula ticks both boxes. Now, if you're enjoying this review and want to see more honest takes on beauty products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our latest content. When it comes to value for money, Nail-Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth is incredibly budget-friendly. Priced around $4, it's a steal considering the results it delivers. While there are other treatments out there that claim to do the same, very few offer such rapid results at this price point. For instance, if you're looking for a slightly cheaper alternative, you might consider Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails, but keep in mind that it doesn't promise the same rapid growth. In terms of build quality, the bottle is sturdy, and the brush applies the formula evenly without any issues. The product itself feels premium, despite its low cost. Who is this product for? I'd say it's ideal for anyone with weak, brittle nails looking for a quick and effective solution. Whether you're recovering from acrylics or just need a little extra help growing out your nails, this treatment could be just what you need. In conclusion, the Nail-Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth Nail Treatment and Strengthener truly delivers on its promises. It's easy to use, effective, and won't break the bank. I highly recommend giving it a try if you're in the market for a nail strengthener that works fast. And for those who've already tried it, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget, you can find the link to get your own bottle in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your nails.